What's going on, guys? This is Smitty with the Pro Polishers Academy. And if you're looking for a reason to get into paint correction but you can't find one, here's one from my perspective. You never know what's going to come through the door. The coolest cars, the weirdest cars, and stuff like this behind me, the 1991 Acura NSX. Stick around.
Welcome to the Modern Professional Polishers Academy, where we answer daily questions, give you tips and tricks, and motivation to help you navigate the world of paint correction.
So the other day I was outside checking out this really dope Ford Focus STI, and over my client's shoulder I see something really exotic, really rare coming in, but I wasn't sure what it was right away. And it was a 91 NSX coming in that's sitting right behind me, and behind it was a 93 Supra. And man, it was a blast from the past. It was like I just got teleported back to the early 90s and everything just kind of stopped for me, you know? So when you see things like this and you're in an area where you don't have these kind of vehicles, you know, just floating around on a regular basis, it's really cool to step back and realize that you have put yourself in a position to be able to be around these vehicles, whether you're working on it or not, or whether you just get to be in the presence of it. Some people don't even get to see these types of things outside of the internet, outside of a screen. So this right here is one of the main reasons that I believe you should get into paint correction, because it opens up all kinds of automotive doors, and you might even be focused on bringing in one type of clientele. You might like classic cars, you know, American muscle cars, but something else can come in at any given point that you may not be fond of just because you've only seen it on the screen, and it'll change your entire perspective. So, and this is one of those cars for me. It's always been a cool car, but when I saw this one in person and that air ride button was hit and it dropped to the ground a little bit, I was like, man, I gotta have one of those. So this is one of the great reasons why you need to get into it. Go pick up a machine, get out there, start talking to clients, start talking to family members about working on their cars. It's only a matter of time, and everything is up to you. So the paint is waiting on you. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.